And so with that, what I want to do is I want to pass it on to some members of my team and Alex's team, and we want to give you guys a sneak peek into what's coming. And so with that, I would like to bring up Sarah Patterson. Please, Sarah, welcome.
Thanks, Parker. All right, we just saw from Parker, from Alex, from Sarah, some of the amazing innovation that is coming in our spring and our summer releases. And what we are doing is we are infusing Lightning in all of our products. So what does this mean? Well, for Community Cloud, this means that now our customers can stand up their own communities using Lightning community templates and even customize them in just a matter of minutes. With Lightning dashboards, now those community managers can view and analyze statistics on how people are interacting in those communities and increase and foster that engagement. For Service Cloud Lightning, we are now going to be building more and more of these amazing Lightning components that you saw Sarah demo. What this means for our users is that in Lightning Service Console, you can take our already customizable console and now customize it even faster than ever before to help your agents maximize their productivity. With Omni-Channel Supervisor, your managers are going to get a real-time view of exactly what cases your agents are working on, what channels they're coming in from, and can even see how long they're taking solving those different cases by channel. And then, as Keith showed you, we had that incredible commercial from Intuit featuring Service for Apps and SOS. Well, any company can now embed that same experience right into their mobile apps. With all of this incredible innovation, just like with Sales Cloud, we are unveiling new packaging. Just like Alex said, we are listening to our customers. They have told us they want more of these incredible platform features in all of our editions. And just like with Sales Cloud, we are doing that with our new Service Cloud Lightning editions. But now, what I am most excited to talk to you all about today is that in the world of service, we are entering some new territory. We are announcing Field Service Lightning, the Uber experience for field service. Built on our Lightning platform, now companies are going to be able to connect their entire workforce with mobile-first solutions. They're going to be able to use our intelligent tools to do smart scheduling and dispatching, making sure that the right field tech is getting out to the job based on not just their skills, not just their background and experience, but even taking into account their location. All right, let's dive into the demo, Kara, and let's take a look at this in action. So we've all alluded, there's a small sort of sporting event happening in the city, right? And a lot of companies like Upstage Media are getting set up to provide some free concerts to celebrate this. We see here they're testing out their LED wall for their concert tonight. But what happens if that LED wall has a problem? And did you see that? In the top left corner, one of those LED panels just went out. Well, fortunately, this is a smart connected device. So the second that had an issue, it triggered a case in Service Cloud Lightning. And here we're going to dive in and see how Field Service Lightning can get it back up and running. We are looking right now at our dispatcher's view of the world. The dispatcher in field service is the air traffic controller, right? So as we're looking at this, we see that truck in the upper right-hand corner. That's where the job is, where that screen is that we have to get back online. All of the green people around the city, those are all of the available field techs. And what the system does is the system is intelligent. It takes the closest field tech, that one there up in Hyde Street, and it automatically assigns them to this job. But what happens if, for instance, that field tech runs into a little bit of an issue? Maybe hitting some of the traffic that we have in the city. Well, our dispatcher is on it. She flips over to this view of the world, and here she can see all of the field techs that are available. She can see what they're working on, and there's the LED panel job. She knows that Chet is stuck in traffic, so she can instantly drag and drop this up to Brett, and she knows that Brett is able to get there because he's out and about in the city, and he is on it. The second she dispatches this, she can switch back over to the map view. And you'll notice right there, the guy in the middle on Market Street, once he gets this job, he starts moving towards it. And we can watch him do that in real time. The second he gets there, the dispatcher gets a notification letting her know that this field tech is meeting with the customer and trying to get him back online. All right, let's take a look now at what happens out in the field We know that field techs, they live out on the road, so they are constantly in their mobile devices. Here in Salesforce 1, our field tech has all the information he needs at his fingertips to be able to get this LED panel up and running. He sees the work order. He can tap into that. He sees what's broken, what parts he needs, and he can even see some schematics that show him how to get this fixed. And the second that that LED panel is working again, well, he can close that case out right from his mobile phone. All right, let's take a look at the screen and see if we were able to get it working. All right, there's the screen. We see she's rocking out. This is awesome. And there we go. We got the LED panel back up and running. The second this happens, we can even send a push notification, thanks to the customer success platform, letting our customer know that they are ready to rock. Thanks for letting me give you a sneak peek of our field service product.